Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I often hear people saying, what can AI do for me? In the case of Claude.AI, it can produce a calculator, which is what this is. This is the Python. I wrote it in tkinter. I specified to Claude to write it in tkinter because it didn't do a very good job of writing in Google Apps Script, but it does work. So let's take a look at it. And I'm running this code in Cursor. And tkinter has been around forever, and it's cheap and it works. So this is a buy versus rent calculator, and I'll go ahead and put a purchase price of $200,000, a down payment of 30, an interest rate, I don't know what interest currently, we'll say 4.8. We'll do a 20-year, and closing costs 3%. All right, so calculate purchase costs here. Here's the percentage, the loan amount, closing costs, and here's the monthly mortgage. Then you have monthly expenses, and I'm just going to accept all of these as is. And you'll see living expenses got picked up as well for living expenses of $1,250. Whether it's accurate or not, you can change yours as you see fit. Rental costs, we'll say rent is currently $1,800. Rental insurance is $75. Monthly utilities is, we'll say $320. Calculate rental costs. All right, so there we go. Now analysis. Here comes the fun part. So the appreciation rate of the property will be, we'll say that we're feeling good, and we'll do an analysis of 10 years. And you'll see I've got some numbers already preset down here. Let's go ahead and run the analysis, and you'll see that the total costs, I see that the total costs will be $389,000. Property appreciation 175. Total. So buying is going to cost me about 400K. Renting is 263. So in this case, my net position, I will lose on 171,000. In this case, I lose all of it. So the net difference is almost $100,000. So buying is going to cost me more than renting. And that's an important feature to keep in mind. But my break even is 4.2, and you can see over 10 years, this appreciation means that I will benefit more from buying. I will be paying more for the house or for buying rather than renting. But now let's see what happens when I click compare down payments. And now here's my comparison. 40% down payment is 80, loan. So the year return on investment, it comes back at 13. At first year is 13%. If I make a higher deposit, then first year is 11, negative rather, 50%, etc. So these are rough numbers, but this is all generated through Claude.AI. So when people ask you what can you do with AI, especially with Claude, which is really good, you can ask Claude to write basic code for you. It's not pretty, it's not perfect, but it works. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please click the like, subscribe, and maybe even share. I will put this code base, put the link to the code base in the description. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.